I do little tutorials. Gonna drip. Don't want it dripping, I've got carpet here. Hubby will kill me. Excuse my hair. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in a different room today for this video because this video is basically I'm just showing you what I've received recently from Missubeauty. I've had some new products which I am excited to try out. I've also purchased some new products as well which I'm also excited to use. So the first items that I received from Missubeauty are from their new collection. And this is, oh my goodness, super excited. So I just need to get their website up so I can tell you how much these items are. I won't be a minute. We have the new, it's a limited edition collection of gel polishes from Missubeauty, and it's called the Glow Up Gel Polish Collection. So the first item that I have is Glow Up 03. It just says it on the lid there, so I'm going to open this so you can have a little look and see what the colour's like. Oh my goodness. How stunning is that? Oh, that is amazing. That is gorgeous. Oh my word. So that is Glow Up 03. Then the next item, excuse my hair. The next item that I received, my favourite colour of all time. Get so excited over this. Glow Up 01. Give it a shake. Oh. That was hard. Right. Oh. Is that not beautiful? Gonna drip. Don't want it dripping, I've got carpet here. Hubby will kill me. So, you can get, so I've got two from the collection here. So you can buy the collection for £60. Plus VAT, but you can also use my discount code Beautify10 on those. So you can't buy them individually because they're limited edition. You need to buy them as a set, a collection. But it's well worth it because you've obviously got, we have a green. Oh, they're amazing. So we've got like a glow up green, glow up yellow, and like a glow up sort of, I don't know what you call it. It's like a peachy colour. It's amazing. They have some beautiful collections. Right, so then the next item that I received is a new chrome powder. So whenever they send you, or whenever you buy chrome powders, you always get the applicators to go with it. So that's really handy. This chrome powder is called Unicorn Horn. Oh my goodness. So this one is £10 plus VAT. Oh, it's sealed. But that's okay, I shall be using that. Unicorn Horn, £10 plus VAT, like I said. You can always use my discount code Beautify10 so you get a good discount off that. So that is blooming exciting. So then we'll come to just a couple of items that I purchased for myself. Can't find them. So the other item that I got, I've seen on them used on Instagram and I've been desperate to try it. So I purchased some the other day and it is the remover jelly. Oh my goodness. How exciting is that? So, just get it up on the website. One bottle of this is £8, which I think is a bit of a bargain. Quite a bargain, to be fair. So it says that you can apply the remover jelly directly onto the gel or acrylic, which I didn't realise you could use it on acrylic as well, but you can, so that's good. So Missu remover jelly. You can buy one bottle for £8. You can buy 3 bottles for £20 plus VAT, or you can buy 10 bottles for £60 plus VAT, which I actually think would be a massive save, buying them all together. I just bought the one bottle just to try out, just to see how I get on with it, because I'm sick of using acetone to remove nails. It just gets on my nerves. It's messy and I don't like it. So and it dries your fingers out. I don't like it. Anyway, so that's that. Then I just ordered some more of my primer, which is £8, which is fab. It lasts forever. I love it. I love that. And then I also bought myself some more Missubeauty cuticle oil, which is £2.50 plus VAT. So if you go on the website, you'll see all the prices. You do have to add VAT onto those, but don't forget I do have a discount code, as I have said about 20 times, Beautified10. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching my little reveal video, guys. I will be using these products on Instagram, so check that out. Every day I do little tutorials. So yeah, so look out for what I'm using. Over the next few days I shall be using them and showcasing them and showing you all what they look like, these new glow up collections. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I will also be uploading a unboxing video today on my beauty channel, so don't forget to check that out, which is Beautified Beauty Blogger. I will leave you a link somewhere for you to check that out. So thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, as always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Bye.